Hi, my next job is an iPhone 7 that came back for the second time. The first time it came back was with a cam problem, and now the second time it's also with a cam problem. So when I did the first repair, it was a Wi-Fi repair. And of course, very close by there's an LDO chip. This LDO chip converts high voltage into lower voltage and feeds the cam. The problem is with this LDO chip that it can come, because it's underfilled with black silicon mass, like here, as you can see, that it can come loose under the pads or creates a short. So I reballed this chip in the beginning, and then it came back with this problem. So I reballed this chip and the LDO chip, and it's working, but the client says that it's not working good. So I'm gonna replace that chip again. I didn't replace it, I reballed it, but now I'm gonna replace it, and hopefully that will fix it. The thing that I also see when you open up the cam app, that there's a line in the image, or a part in the image, a part of the screen that has a different coloring. So I guess, pretty sure that there's something wrong with this LDO chip. I hope so, and otherwise I do not know what's wrong, then then I have to search further, but I guess that will be the problem. So now I'm gonna try to boot the phone. Where is the phone? Here. And hopefully it will just work normal. The moment of truth, always exciting. Did it work? Did all my hard labor resulted in what I want or not? We're never sure. And it doesn't look like it, which is really weird. So no, it's not working. Okay, that means that I have to look a lot deeper now. Okay, so after I reballed it another time, it didn't work. It was still the same problem. I didn't also get any voltage, but I think I found the problem. So I did a diode mode reading, and on this connection it had an OL reading, so this means that it's not connected somewhere. So this is an I2C line, so it is important, and it is connected with a resistor and a cap, and probably this is connected with the CPU, I think. Yeah, so this line is connected with the CPU. So what I am thinking now is that this resistor might have come loose because it's also a bit underfilled here, I think. So I'm gonna investigate that, and hopefully this will fix it this time. So okay, I did another reading and on diode mode, and now it reads fine. So I'm just gonna check this again. On the connector itself, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is ground, and the other one should be reading normal, although it's a very high reading. That's not normal. Let's check it here. Here it's pretty low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 491 it says here, and here I got too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again OL. I will compare it with a known good board because I don't trust the readings there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it's 487, so there's still a problem with the resistor. I think I broken the resistor somehow. It didn't look good. So I will replace this resistor. I replaced it, and now I'm gonna measure again. I already did measure it again, but now you can see it also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was ground, 6. Now it's reading normal. So hopefully this time it will fix the boards. So I'm gonna try it. It's connected, and now the screen. And this is always the moment that is exciting. I think that's the reason why I do this job. I like this job. It's just the unknown that I love. Will it work? Will my hard labor work this time? After all those tryings, will it now be successful or not? And what if it's not successful? What do I have to do then? Are there other strategies that I can try? Yes, there are. But do I want to? No. But I have to. And okay, good. So we have a cam. This is finally good. And we'll check if the line is gone. And yes, the line is gone. So that's a good sign. So I think this is a fix. Yes!